Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will talk about the health benefits of better ground. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Health benefits of better ground written by Narayana Health. So bitter ground is famous by various names including bitter melon, bitter squash, bitter cucumber, bitter apple, or balsam pear. In India, everybody knows this vegetable as karita. This green-skinned vegetable has a white flesh and taste that suits its name. Bitter ground comes from various varieties, but two are most common, the Chinese and Indian bitter ground. Both types have different appearances but have similar health benefits. Let's dig a little into health advantage of these bitter ground vegetables. So, health benefits. Bitter melon may taste better, but it is rich in fibers and various micronutrients that possess numerous health benefits, including bitter ground is a rich source of vitamin C that helps fight many diseases and wound healing, and it is crucial for development and growth. So, fight infection now with rich of vitamin C, the bitter ground. Vitamin A and beta carotene present in bitter ground are beneficial for our eyes, health, and improved vision. They are also effective for dark circles treatment. Better ground reduces several blood sugar control markers, including hemoglobin A1C and fructosamine. Bitter ground is low in calories and high in fibers, which helps decrease body weight. Vitamin, folate, zinc, iron, and potassium are present in the bitter ground, essential during neural growth and development in a fetus. So it is good for pregnant women, no? And bitter ground melon contains numerous powerful antioxidants, including catechin, epicatechin, chlorogenic acid, and garlic acid. These antioxidants help fight against radicals. They protect us from many diseases caused by oxidative damage, including cancers, aging, heart diseases, and chronic conditions. Okay, so it's beneficial, no? Vitamin C, zinc, and protein components of bitter ground promote hair growth and add shine to hairs. Potassium, magnesium, and calcium in bitter melon reduces bad or LDL cholesterol levels in our blood and maintain good cholesterol or HDL levels. Cholesterol is one of the leading causes of many heart conditions. So bitter ground improves heart health, no? Good for the heart. Bitter ground has antioxidant and antimicrobial properties which helps the secretion of toxins from our blood and liver and heal many liver conditions. Regular consumption of bitter melon improves our gut health and treats many intestinal conditions including constipation and irritable bowel syndrome (IBS). This better vegetable improves our immune system and respiratory health. Wow, better better ground, no? Or better melon, no, has very good, no, in our health, no. So the bitter flavor of this vegetable mix is unique. Bitter ground is a versatile vegetable as we can add it as a juice, stir fry mixed vegetables, or salad garnish. Bitter melon is a flavorful and nutritious addition to our nutritious rich diet. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on health benefits of better ground courtesy by Narayana Health. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with the newly uploaded video. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.